Hey, it's Brian. Welcome back to Korean Ladder, where one rung at a time Korean starts to click.
And I'm Alice. I'm still learning, still guessing, and today I really need help sounding less like a textbook.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Hello, I'm Hana, and today we'll make casual Korean feel clear.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. I'm Yuno. Today we learn how friends really end sentences.
Here's my problem. I know gayo, meo geoyo, johayo, but my Korean friends keep texting ga, meojio, joha. Are they just cutting off yo?
And if I drop you with the wrong person, I feel like I might sound rude in about 3 seconds.
좋은 질문이에요. This style is called 반말. In English, 반말 is casual speech for close friends, younger people, or people who already agreed to speak casually.
And banmal is not just removing yo. Today we need 4 common endings. 마요, 마이지, 마이자, and 리을레.
First, 마요. This is the plain casual sentence ending. 먹어요 becomes 먹어. 좋아요 becomes 좋아. It can be a statement or a simple question by tone.
먹어 can mean I eat, or are you eating? Context and intonation do the rest. The ending itself is casual and plain.
Second, 지. This adds a shared feeling. Right? You know, or of course. 맞지 means right when you expect agreement.
좋지 means it's good, right? 알지 means you know, right? The speaker is treating the idea as something both people can share.
Third, 짜. This is the casual let's. 가자 means let's go. 먹자 means let's eat. It sounds like a friendly move toward action.
Use 자 when the plan feels decided or you are inviting the other person into action directly. It's warmer than a command, but it still moves.
Fourth, 리을래. This is a casual offer or invite. 갈래 means wanna go. 먹을래 means wanna eat. It leaves room for yes or no.
So my English map is EO is plain, G is right, jar is let's, and riolre is wanna. That actually helps.
Bagaj and galre both feel like invitations. If I'm asking a friend to go somewhere, which one do I choose?
가자 is let's go when you're moving toward a plan. 갈래 is wanna go when you're checking the other person's choice.
If the plan is basically set, say 가자. If you want to give your friend an easy way to say no, say 갈래? 이제 짧은 대화를 들어보세요. Listen for all 4 endings in one natural friend conversation.
야, 배고프지?
완전 배고파.
그럼 김밥 먹을래?
좋아, 먹자.
I heard it. 배고프지 is hungry, right? 배고파 is the plain statement. 메ogulre is the offer. 메ogja is the decision.
Small grammar panic. Why is it begopa, not begopuyo? I thought we had eo.
좋은 관찰이에요. With many stems ending in 으, the 으 drops before 아 or 어. 배고프다 becomes 배고파. 바쁘다 becomes 바빠.
And if the stem has 아 or 오, you usually hear 아. 좋아 is from 좋다. 가 stays 가 because it already has that open sound.
이제 따라해봐요. Repeat after me. 같이 갈래? It means wanna go together.
같이 갈래?
좋아요. 같이 sounds like 같이. The spelling stays 같이, but the natural sound is 같이. 한 번 더. 같이 갈래?
같이 갈래?
자연스러워요. That's a real sentence you can say to a close friend.
Now the scary boundary. If an older neighbor is friendly to me, can I use banmal because the vibe is warm?
조심해야 해요. No. Warm is not the same as casual. With elders, strangers, teachers, bosses, and service situations, keep 요 or 씁니다.
Even with someone your age, ask before switching if you just met. 우리 말라도 돼? Means can we speak casually?
So banmal is not just I feel comfortable. It has to be mutual, close, or clearly appropriate.
Quiz time. Your close friend looks exhausted and you both know it. You want to say, you're tired, right? Which sentence is most natural?
A just asks if they're tired. C sounds like do you want to be tired? So the shared right feeling has to be B. 피곤하지?
정답이에요. B. 피곤하지. The my G tells your friend, I can see it, and we both know it. A is a plain question. C is not natural because being tired is not an offer.
That makes the boundary clearer. Ryore is for something the person can actually choose, like galre or myogalre.
이제 정리해요. First my son은 평범한 반말 문장이에요. In English, eyes is the plain casual ending, like 먹어 or 좋아.
둘째지는 같이 하는 느낌이에요. In English it says right or, like 맞지 or 피곤하지.
셋째 자는 같이 하자는 말이에요. In English, it is a casual let's, like 가자 or 먹자.
넷째, 마이시 리을레는 부드러운 제안이에요. In English, it is wanna, like 갈래 or 먹을래. It works best when there is a real choice.
그리고 안전 규칙도 기억하세요. 반말은 가까운 친구 사이에서만 써요. In English, use 반말 only when the relationship allows it.
If I keep one sentence from today, I want one that sounds like a real friend invite.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 우리 김밥 먹을래? In English, wanna get kimbap? It's casual, friendly, and useful.
친한 친구에게 자연스럽게 말해보세요. 우리 김밥 먹을래? Next time, we'll make casual questions feel even more automatic.
That's our rung for today. I'm Brian, and I finally know when Gaja is not the same as Gallery.
I'm Alice. Keep the yo when you need it, drop it when the relationship is right. Bye.